The Jeep Gladiator's oil life monitor is a smart system, not just a mileage counter. It uses sensors to track engine temperature, RPM, driving conditions, and oil viscosity to estimate oil quality. The dashboard displays a percentage starting at 100% after a reset. This system helps prevent engine wear by alerting you before the oil degrades. Resetting the oil life monitor after each oil change is crucial for accurate monitoring. Failing to do so can lead to false warnings or inaccurate oil life estimations. A reset clears the old data and sets a new baseline for the system, allowing it to adapt to current driving conditions. Resetting also prevents unnecessary maintenance costs and ensures the system adapts to your driving style, helping to avoid premature wear. If the reset procedure doesn't work, first check the accelerator pedal sensor. Ensure it's functioning correctly by inspecting its wiring connections. High-mileage vehicles often experience reset failures due to faulty sensors. Also confirm there are no active fault codes or check engine lights. The check engine light indicates a problem that must be resolved before attempting the reset. If problems persist despite checking the sensor and fault codes, a dealership scan might be necessary to diagnose deeper issues with the vehicle's systems. The oil life monitor is reliable, but not a substitute for regular maintenance. Always follow the recommended oil change intervals in your owner's manual. Combining resets with regular inspections and genuine Mopar oil changes can extend oil change intervals by 10 to 15%. This saves money in the long run, preventing unnecessary costs and engine wear. Mechanics and Jeep specialists strongly recommend performing the manual oil life reset after each oil change. This ensures the system's accuracy by recalibrating the onboard computer with fresh data. Statistics show that 78% of Jeep owners choose to perform the reset themselves, which reduces dealership visits by 40%. This DIY approach saves time and money while maintaining vehicle health. Improper resets correlate with 25% higher warranty claims for oil system issues. Skipping or failing to reset properly can lead to inaccurate monitoring and potential engine problems. Regular resetting contributes to cost-effective vehicle health maintenance, potentially saving owners $50 to $100 per year through optimized oil change intervals and reduced maintenance costs. Future trends in oil life monitoring point toward increased digital integration, with over-the-air updates refining algorithms for better accuracy. Apps like the Jeep Wave app will enable remote resets and notifications, making maintenance more convenient through smartphone integration. Future systems may autonomously reset based on service records uploaded via dealership apps, potentially eliminating manual steps. However, consumer demand for do-it-yourself options will likely persist, ensuring manual methods remain accessible. Many owners report issues with persistent oil change warnings after failing to reset the monitor. These warnings often persist until the proper pedal sequence is performed to reset the system. In commercial fleets, failing to reset the oil life monitor after oil changes results in more unscheduled maintenance visits. This increases operational costs and downtime for businesses using Jeep Gladiators. Online forums like jeepforum.com serve as valuable resources for troubleshooting reset issues and sharing real-world experiences with the oil life monitor procedure. These real-world examples demonstrate why performing the oil life reset correctly is essential for Jeep Gladiator owners, whether individual drivers or fleet operators.